Finally, on Monday night, it started raining. It looked like it was gonna rain all time that I was here. Still waiting for my trainer. I'm losing money, but that's okay. I've never been to Columbus, Ohio. Too bad I'm super broke, so couldn't really do much. They have a lot of steak and shakes here, just like, listen to that. That's some real Midwest raining right there. That's why it's so green here. Check that out. Well, once again, I'm in Columbus, Ohio. My mentor took a few days off, so he's back with his wife, and we'll be on the road again, and then I'll have a new trainer here soon, so hopefully everything's okay with him. I thought there'd be more of a lightning show, but I guess there isn't. Oh well.